Okay, hello guys, Azuki15 here and welcome to my gameplay here. Not gameplay, it's a summon here dito sa TBL. So, this is it boys. This is it. It's time na mag-summon tayo dito sa dalawang banners. Which is Goku and Vegeta fused into Vegito, the Super One, Super Vegito, and SSG, SS, Goku, and Vegeta fused into Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan Gogeta. Let's go. This is freaking nice. This is. Oh my god. I so excited. I'm so freaking excited. I'm so slaggy excited about this sixth anniversary. Let's go, guys. And now, I'm not sure if makakakuha tayo nun or hindi. I think kasi dalawa eh. Dalawa. Oh my god. Thanks for 6 years. Yes, the title one. Okay. Wait, what the heck? This is freaking awesome. This is freaking awesome. Not gonna lie, this is freaking awesome. In all of the anniversary na join ko, I think this is the one. This is the best. Ariko. Yeah, so let's go. This is the free anniversary. Okay, gonna spin muna and yun na. Just skip high ako. Okay. The tournament of time. It can give rise to unprecedented meetings or provide the chance to face off against old foes once again. Okay. Okay. Damn it all. What the hell is he? He's strong, alright. And he can read our moves. We're gonna win at this rate. Oh man, I can't believe there's someone even stronger than Majin Buu out there. And that's not all. Wait. OMG, so this is a special story, huh? Nice one, Matrix. I think I'm gonna skip na kasi nagmamadali na ako eh. I'm gonna skip. Sorry guys, I'm gonna skip. However, these battles may play out much differently than they did originally. Okay, it kinda looks like a Charlotte one. Let's say. OMG. Oh my god, this logo. This is cool. This is cool. Okay, so sino na naman yung una? Well, let's say. Okay. Oh my god. The animation. OMG. The freaking animation. Oh my god. Oh yes. Natawa ako sa side step niya. Oh my god. Not gonna lie. This is awesome. This is freaking awesome. Wala na. I'm gonna skip all of it. Kasi, I'm so freaking excited na mag-summon na. Oh na! I wait. if it's a double banner, I'm dead. Alam ko, ay wait, alam ko double banner sila kasi both sila ay lalabas. Okay. I freaking knew it. They are, lalabas nga talaga sila. It's double banner, boys. It's double banner. Ah. Ang hirap pa. Maglaba. Then, habang nagsasamon. Oh my God. Well, wait lang. Okay, skip na talaga. Kasi nagmamadali na talaga ako. Kasi nagtatanggal pa ako na damit dito. And pagpasensya nyo na yung aking background noise. Kasi may ginagawa ditong bahay dito sa kapitbahay namin. So, sorry guys. So, ilalapit ko na lang yung mic ko dito sa bibig ko. Para mas marinig. So, yun. Okay, so naka-volume pala ako, tas 100. So, okay, let's go. Okay, eto na. So, this is it. This is it, boys. I'm not sure kung ano ito lumalabas na. Oh, wait. Wait, ano to? It's bingo. Let's see. You can receive rewards for completing goals and complete. Wait, it kinda looks like Dokkan? Sa Dokkan ba to? Wait. Ay, hindi. Iba pala ang Dokkan. Okay. Detailed info. Hey you, could you help me gather up some food? Bro is practicing starving. I'm so hungry. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I'm not sure if ano to. Wait. Sabi na nga ba, this is a katulad nga to sa Dokkan. It's like a Dokkan kasi pag ganito, pag pinipindot ko, it's like may mga missions dito in every item na makukuha ko dito. I freaking knew it. It's kind of like sa Dokkan. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung ano natin. Oh my God, let's see. I'm gonna accept this thing. Okay. Wait. Oh, this is pretty nice. Sige. I'm gonna open na. Sige. I'm gonna exit. Nice. I'm gonna use it later. Okay. So, this is it, guys. This is the right time. Okay. Ano pa yung damit na hindi ko pa naano kasi. Wait. Tatanggal kasi ako eh. Okay. So, this is a Okay. I'm gonna collect all of it. Guys. Ito na. Let's go to the salmon. Magsasalmon na tayo, guys. I'm so freaking excited. Tapos mamaya, gagawin ko na lang if tapos na ako maglaba. Wait. So, let's see the raid. Ano yung una sa raid? Let's see, Kasi doon na magbabase. So, sino yung nasa raid ngayon? Let's see. Not. Okay, so dalawa. So, okay. Sabi ko na nga ba, sigugit nga muna. Okay, ito na nga. OMG. So, this is it, boys. This is it. Let's do it. I think, magsasagawa tayo ng 2 rotations. As I planned. Wait lang Ito na. How many minutes na? Okay, so 9 minutes. Let's go. Okay. Ito na. Step 1, let's go. Tandaan nyo, 2 rotations na gagawin natin. Tapos, if we get at least 2 copies, okay na. Okay na ako. Okay, so wala pa. Because this is the beginning. This is the beginning, boys. Okay, normal text and nothing, nothing good. Okay, I knew it. Okay, so I'm gonna skip. I'm gonna skip na. Okay. Oh, nice one. Okay, second step. Okay, so too many downloadings. Let's see. Let's see. Tripods. What? Okay, tripods. No. So they're tied. Okay, another one. Same. Same animations. Okay. So I'm gonna skip kasi pangit. Okay, step 3. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my god, dude. Kakabahan ako, truly. Mercenary Tao. And Super Saiyan. Okay. It's Spirit Bomb. It's Spirit Bomb. Anong ibig sabihin nito? What does it mean? What does it mean, boys? Okay. Okay. Pero huwag kayong masa sa ganun. Kasi pangit. I knew it. Okay. 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 Oh, 14 stars na pala to. Okay. Fourth step. Na tayo. Fourth step. Let's see. Okay, too many downloadings na naman. Ano to? Paasa na naman to? Let's see. Wala. Hoy! Wala! Walang lumabas? What the heck? Ano to? What? In the pit. Bro, walang lumabas doon. Saan ba gonna skip? Puro X. Ew. Okay. Okay, dami ko na pala na 14 stars. Okay. So, this is a fifth step. Ano na kaya ang nalabas dito? Okay, so may na-downloading siya naman. Let's see. 5 pods. And the red sky? Oh, oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's Bardock! It's Bardock! It's Bardock! Boy! 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 We get him! We get him! We get him! In first rotation, we get him. Oh my god! Oh my god! Seriously? Broly? What in the pit? Boy, I want Gogeta. I want Gogeta. Bakit ito? Seriously, Broly? The Fury? You hype me, tapos ito naman kukuha ko. This is not nice, Legends. This is not nice. This is not nice. I'm gonna slag you up, Legends. Visit 2. Inaasan niyo ako, manghayop kayo. Kaasar, akala ko siya na eh. Akala ko siya na. Fudge. Ito, andito mo ng text. Upak. Just got in the pit. I'm gonna skip na. Nadismaya ako dun ah. Truly, nadismaya ako dun. Okay. So, entering second rotation. Nadismaya ako, Legends. Sobra. Sobra Legends. Wala. I'm gonna skip. Okay, third step. Let's see. Okay, downloading na naman. Okay, so this is not nice. This is not nice. Goldex. Suzy Legends. Suzy. Aba, tadarang ano ah. SP. Aba, pero luma naman. Aba. Nako, Legends. Nako, wag mo ako subukan Legends. Wag mo ako subukan Legends. Seriously, I'm gonna frag you up. Okay. Okay. Okay, fourth step. Saan makuha natin siya? Makuha natin siya, please. Kahit Gogita lang. Yun na. Kahit even one copy of him, it's okay for me. Kasi, basta, I want him. 5 pods. Trunks. Oh my god. Bro. It's Trunks. Let's see. It's Trunks. Oh my god. Ang mag-ama. Tingnan natin. No, frag you, boy. Let's see. Nakakakaba to. Okay. What, Broly ulit? No. Why? Why in all of it? Okay, step 5. Please, I need Broly. Not Broly. I need Gogeta. Please. I need Gogeta. Okay, 3 pods. And a red sky. Okay, Super Saiyan. I need Gogeta. Please, give it to me. Gogeta. Okay. No, bragging way, dude. No! Hindi siya blue. Hindi siya blue. Okay. What, Broly? No. Why, Legends? Why did you do this to me? Hindi siya blue. Saj. May sakit sa puso. Okay, so this is a... So, okay, tapos na itong second rotation and wala pa tayong Gogeta. Yuck. Okay. Dragon Balls? Okay. Okay. No! I'm gonna cry. He's not blue. Ang sakit sa puso. Okay, so I'm gonna skip. Yeah. I freaking knew it, guys. So we have 9. I think mag-enter ata tayo as a third rotation. Oh my god, dude. Entering third rotation? What? Okay, so not second. Not 2 rotations. Okay, so 3 rots. So entering third rotation. Since marami namang CC rewards doon sa ano. At yun ang in-announce sila. Okay sa space. Let's say. Okay. Red text and what? Okay. So I'm gonna skip. Boy. What? Broly, bakit anapit pa sa akin, ha? Hindi ikaw kailangan ko. I need Gogeta. Okay? The Gogeta. The yellow one. Okay? Yung bago. Okay. The tag turns. You fuse tag. Okay? I need a fuse tag. Okay. So, nanalo siya. I need a fuse tag, okay? Yun na pinunta ko. Wait. No. Bakit siya? Bakit si Broly? Sawa na akong makita yung mukha niya. Why, Broly? Huwag naman ikaw. Okay? I need Gogeta. The Gogeta, please. I need him. The Gogeta one. Okay? Ayun eh. Ang liit ng text. I'm gonna skip. Okay. Okay, so malapit na tayo sa free step. Holy frag. Too many downloadings na naman. And paasa na naman to. 5 pods. What? No. Don't tell me masashop ako dito. Let's see. We have to believe in Spirit Bomb. Broly, bro. Ay. Gogeta. Nabulol ako. Gogeta. I need you, Gogeta. Gogeta-sama. Magpakita na sa akin, pose. Gogeta-san. Gogeta. Where are you, my boy? Gogeta-san. Gogeta. Where are you? Magpakita ka na. I need you, boy. Jaco! It's Jaco. Wait, it's Jaco, boy. Okay. It's Jaco. And let's see. Dude. No way! Yes! Yeah, boys, let's go! Yes! No way! Yeah, pero yes! We got him! Yes, we got him. Wait. Nice. We got him, boys! Yes! Let's go, baby! 30 rotation. At the last step. Oh my god! Yes, we got him. Nice one. Nice. Putik yung tatlong rotation. What the fudge? It's 3 rots. What the heck, legends? What the heck, Legends? Okay. So, tingnan na natin doon sa tickets. What the heck, Legends? Okay. Oh, nice. Wait. What? What the heck is this? Okay. Oh my god. Dude, let's try that thing. Pero ito muna tayo. Sige. I hope makakuha tayo ng isa pang copy. Isa pang copy. I cannot believe. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna skip. I cannot believe, boys. Nakakuha tayo ng 1 copy of him. In 3 rotations. Let's go. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm shaking. I'm happy. We got him. We got him, boys. I'm happy, boys. I'm happy. Okay. I'm happy. I'm so freaking happy. Ganado ako nito. I'm happy. Oh my god. We got him. Yes. Okay. So, tingnan na natin dito. Wait now. Where are you, boy? So, this is Blazing Azure combination. So, this is nice. This is a pretty nice one. Pero, try natin dito makakuha kung makuha natin sa Untouchable Ultimate Fusion. So, let's see. Ngayon medyo kabado ako. Okay, let's see. Jaco pa ngayon basta Jaco, okay na, gagi. No. Damn, bro. In 3 rotations. Oh my god. 1 copy of him? Okay na rin. Kasi ibuboost ko na lang sa ito Oh my gosh. Grabe tong fusions to. Hayop. I cannot believe him. I cannot believe na. Gagi. What the heck? Inabot tayo ng 3 rotations para lang doon? Heck. Wait nga lang. Let's see if meron pa akong Gagi. Seryoso kayo, Legends. Abutin nyo pa ako ng ganun. Sira ulo kayo. Sira ulo yung Legends to. Okay. Basta. We got him. That's all it matters. That's all it matters. Oh my god. He's so kakui. He's so cool. Tapos ko pa rin, hype the brawling to. Bakit ikaw pa nagpakita sa akin? Hype na to. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna put wait, let's put him. Oh my god. He's so cool. Oh my god. Okay, we get him. Oh, nice. Wait. Did I Oh. Meron pala ako nito. Pero okay lang. Kahit 100 man lang yan. Okay ito. This is freaking awesome. So, thank you sa panonood, guys. This is the first banner natin is Gogeta. So, nakita niyo naman. Nice. So, 3 rotations. Oh my god, dude. 3 rotations. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna end this record and bye-bye. Good luck sa mga magsasamon.